Hey everyone! This video is your guide for the final paper of the semester. You've already completed your proposal and your annotated bibliography, so you've told me what your topic is and you've gathered some sources. Great! Now it's time to build on that and write your full paper. Here's what that looks like. First, you'll introduce the issue, tell the story, set the stage, help your reader understand what the moral issue is and why it matters right now in today's world. You'll likely pull from a few of the sources you already found, maybe one, maybe two or three, to help explain the significance of the issue. This intro section should probably be 1 to 3 paragraphs. Don't just summarize your sources, use them to help paint a picture of the issue and its importance. Next, you're moving into the biggest part of the paper, applying the moral theories. You'll work through each of the theories we studied and use them to evaluate your issue. Let me walk you through what that means. Ethical egoism. Ask, how does this issue align or conflict with the idea that what's moral is whatever benefits you most? Utilitarianism. Here the question is, what choice would result in the greatest good for the greatest number of people? Care ethics. This is about relationships. What's the right thing to do if we focus on care and connection? Maybe the choice isn't great for you or the majority, but maybe it's good for a small group you're close to. Think family, neighbors, loved ones. Kant's universal law formula. This one needs to be done carefully, and it's totally okay to lay it out in steps in your paper. Step 1. What's the action or moral rule, the maxim? Step 2. What happens if everyone acts that way, if it becomes a universal law? Step 3. Is that outcome acceptable or moral? You can label these steps in your paper. In fact, I encourage you to. Ross's duties. Pick as many duties as apply. Don't limit yourself to just one. Think about fidelity, justice, reparation, beneficence, etc. Which duties are in conflict here? Which ones win out? Virtue ethics. This one is multifaceted. Start by identifying the relevant virtues, then use the golden mean. What's the balanced, moderate action between extremes? And go a step further. Look at the issue through the eyes of Confucius, Franklin, and Augustine. See if their ideas about virtue give you any insight into your issue. After you've applied all the theories, wrap it up with a summary of your insights. What did you learn by applying the theories? Were they in agreement? Did some conflict? And then state your reasoned judgment. Is the action right or wrong? Support your conclusion with the work you've done in the paper. A few final notes. Yes, you can use new sources in your final paper that you didn't include in your proposal. Yes, it's okay to leave out sources you originally planned to use. Writing is a process. It evolves. And please, do the work yourself. Be cautious using tools like Grammarly or AI editors. Some of those can flag your writing in ways that look suspicious, even if you didn't do anything wrong. We'd much rather see a paper with a few rough edges that's clearly yours than one that looks perfect but isn't. That's it. You've got this. Let me know if you need anything.